Good morning everyone! Today we're going to explore this cliff house and lot for sale here in the Perch at Highland Park, Antipolo. But before we continue with this video, I would like to invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that little bell so that you will be notified every time we have a new video here in the Perch and Sand Valley, Antipolo. My name is Jen. Let's start the house tour. So this is very exciting, guys, because this property has a lot area of 450 square meter and floor area of 392 square meter. Let's take a look at the facade of this house. This is a modern design. Okay, it has 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, 1 powder room, service area, open basement, and has provision space for swimming pool. Okay, this property is selling in the market for 50 million cash only. Okay, so let's take a look at the facade of this property. Okay, so it's a modern design, guys. Single detached. So let's take a look, guys. So this will be your landscape dito, your garden, and you have here 2 to 4 carport ang pwedeng magkasya dito sa inyong garage. Okay, so dalawa ang pwedeng partially covered. It has a fixture and light. And very spacious, guys, ang inyong car park. Okay, so hindi pa siya tapos pero shout out sa ating client na gustong makita na ang property na to. Okay, so before tayo pumasok, no, tingnan muna natin dito sa inyong service area. So, may access ka here sa iyong service area. And this is your so this will be your staff room. Sliding door siya, guys. And it can fit 1 single bed. Meron na siyang lights and fixtures, high ceiling din. Okay, ang ganda na kanyang flooring na ginamit dito, guys. And this is her toilet and bath. And this will be your service door going to your everyday kitchen na mamaya pupuntahan natin. Okay, so ito yung magiging view mo dito, guys. Okay, so puntahan naman natin dun sa harapan. Meron siyang access dun sa pupuntahan natin yung open basement. Okay, so let's take a look at your porch area. So this will be your steps. Ayan, very friendly yung kanyang steps. Okay, so here is your porch area. Nice yung design. May mga lights ka na rin dito and fixtures. Nice wall design. And here is the design sa inyong facade. And this is your main door. Okay, so this is the design of your main door. Nice, ang ganda ng design, very modern. So let's check out. Welcome to your brand new home. Wow, guys. Sobrang maaliwalas. So look at it, guys, no? So before tayo mag-explore sa living room, dining area, and then a kitchen, on your left, ayan, meron kayong function area dito. Ito yung mga sa lights natin. Okay, so wala pa, of course. And this is your first bedroom. Ang ganda ng mga ginamit nilang mga doors dito. No? Very modern ang design. And look at that, guys. This is your first bedroom. Nice. Okay, so we have a fixed windows, high ceiling. Okay, meron siyang mga lights and fixtures. And then, look at the glass window. It is a fixed glass window. This can be your guest room. Ayan. Okay, so this will be your can be your guest room or your office room and another bedroom. Meron ka ditong French glass window. Meron rin siyang built-in cabinet here. Okay. And look at pwede dito ba nga queen bed size. Nice. Okay, let's take a look at your bathroom. Okay, so ang ganda ng bathroom mo. Wow. So hindi pa siya kompleto. Tinatapos pa lang siya, but again may mga client kasi tayo nagre-request na for this. Okay, so high ceiling with lights and fixture, may awning window. Look at the walls. Ang ganda ng design niya, guys. Okay, and meron na rin siyang toilet. And ito na yung magiging shower area niya. And look at the mirror. Ang laki. This will be your vanity mirror. Ayan. Update natin to pag natapos na rin, no? And this will be your sink. And look at the floorings na ginamit din dito. Hindi rin siya madulas. Okay, so next natin, let's go and check your powder room. So guys, in the event na meron kayong mga guests, ito yung ang inyong powder room. Ayan. So this is your powder room. Yan yung vanity mirror mo, guys. Okay. And your sink, your toilet. Okay, nice design ng kanyang mga bathroom tiles. And this is your dining area. Wow. So look at the ceiling, fluted panel design, no, ang ceiling natin, and we have lights and fixture. I think it can fit 6 to 8 dining table set. Okay, nice, guys. And over here sa inyong left ay ang inyong living room. Wow! Nice, guys. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo yung magiging view nyo dito, no? But let's take a look first at the ceiling. Ganun din. Ang ganda ng design niya. Pero again, hindi pa siya finished, guys, ha? Meron pa tayong mga ilalagay dyan. Okay, you have a big glass sliding window. And here is your living room. Okay, so let's take a look at outside. Wow. Nice. So this is your view over here. Wow. Sobrang ganda, guys. Ang laki ng space for your balcony, no? This is your balcony. Dalawa yung magiging access mo from the kitchen and then the living room. Let's appreciate the view over here. Sobrang ganda, guys. Wow. So imagine, dito ka every morning sa gabi, naman makikita mo mga city lights. Ayan. So guys ha, tignan nyo. Sobrang ganda here. Sobrang ganda dito guys. Ayan. So tignan natin yung pinaka ilalim. Ay yung pinaka baba. Kung napaka-steep na. So actually hindi naman oh. Made road pa siya after this house. Ayan. And syempre, yan ang magiging kapitbahay mo. Okay, wow talaga. Sobrang ganda guys. Okay, so this time naman puntahan naman natin ang inyong kitchen. So this is your kitchen. Ayan. Okay, so may mga lights and fixtures na rin siya. And big sliding window. Talagang minaximize natin yung view dito sa house na to. Okay, and we have a cabinet, kitchen cabinet, and we also have a base cabinet, and this. So adjacent to your kitchen is the staff area. So let's take a look. So ito yung inyong door leading to your everyday kitchen na until now ginagawa. Ayan, so we have a French window, glass window here. And dito siguro yung pinaka-counter. And then the sink. Okay. This is the service door leading dun sa inyong car park and sa staff room. So guys, if you like this content, please tap that subscribe button and click that little bell so that you will be notified every time we have a new video. And if you have friends and relatives looking for a brand new property here in the Perch and Sand Valley, please share our video. Okay? Mag-comment na din kayo guys kung nagustuhan nyo tong bahay na to. Okay, so punta naman natin ang inyong ground floor. Let's take a look. Ang ginamit dito sa ating stairs ay glass, fixed glass, and solid wood ang kanyang steps. So, puntahan natin, guys. Ayan. So, talagang aliwalas dito, guys. So, kasi yung mga windows natin ang lalaki. Okay, guys. So, dito sa ground floor, we have a family area and 2 bedrooms. Okay, so let's take a look on your first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom, guys. Wow. So may view ka din dito, no? Okay, so let's appreciate. Again, meron kang ceiling with the lights and fixtures. Okay, so I think pwede dito king size ang laki niya, guys, no? And this is your toilet and bath. Guys, so this is the walk-in closet. And this is your toilet and bath. You have awning window, vanity mirror, ayan, ginagawa pa lang yung sink, you have toilet, and this is your bath. And ito din yung mga floor, bathroom, yung flooring na ginamit dito, hindi rin madulas, guys. So in the same way, this property is selling in the market for 50 million. So guys, if you are interested to check out and buy this property, contact me today on the numbers visible on the screen. This is your second bedroom. So dito mga queen size ang pwede dito. Ayan, mas smaller siya. I think yung pinunta natin is the master's bedroom. And this is your balcony over here. Wow. Nice. And you have, again, you have a high ceiling, lights and fixtures. You have a French glass window, and you have here the built-in cabinet, and this is your bathroom. So this is your bathroom, guys. May mga lights na rin siya and fixtures, and this is the walls, bathroom walls. And you have the toilet, and this will be your bath area, and this is the vanity mirror and your sink. Okay, so this time let's go to your open basement. Ang ganda dito, guys, no? I think this is a window. So this is your open basement, guys. So dito kayo pwede mag-party. This will be your multi-function area. Nice. Wow. Okay, so ito ang ceilings niya, guys. Yung ceiling niya, ganda rin, oh. And this is your view dito sa inyong open basement. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano bang meron dito. So meron tayong another room here, or storage area. And you have a kitchenette here. This is the toilet, and this is the bath area. So meron din siyang sink over here, and this has a provision for swimming pool. Ayan. So tingnan natin. Ayun, doon ang swimming pool niyo. Dito, pagbaba. So hindi pa siya ganun katapos, guys, pero again, oh, sa mga interested to check out this property, ayan, contact me today on the numbers visible on the screen. So ito yung steps going to your car park. Sobrang ganda dito, guys. So let's recap. Punta na tayo sa first floor. Okay, guys, so let's have a recap. Okay, so this property is a modern design, single detached. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, 1 powder room, meron siyang storage area, open basement, and has a provision for swimming pool. Okay, so this property is selling in the market for 50 million. So if you are interested to check out and buy this property, contact me today on the numbers visible on the screen.